Beyond Rubik's Cube, I'm Kirsten Ellenbogen, President and CEO of Great Lakes Science Center, and I'm so excited to take you into this exhibition that immerses you into the art, the design, the engineering behind the world's best-selling toy. At Great Lakes Science Center, we're the TEM of STEM, the technology, the engineering, the math, and Rubik's Cube. This toy is really this extraordinary feat of engineering, of design. I put the cube in your hand. You may not know how to solve it, but you know what the goal is. You know how to move it. We are thrilled by the engineering and design behind that, and in this exhibition, we take you deep into that process. What's the math behind it? What's the programming behind it? What's the algorithm? How do you really partake in the inspired art and music that has come about from the cube? There's so much to experience from 40 years of Rubik's Cube. This is the world's most expensive Rubik's Cube. So this bejeweled cube here, which was created out of a love and joy and inspiration for the cube itself, has been put together. There are 25 jewels in each one of the small squares, and in its entirety, it's valued at more than $2.5 million. We're excited to have it here because it's a great showcase for the kind of art and inspiration that the cube has created over its last 40 years.
Hi, I'm Dante Centauri, Director of Creative Productions here at Great Lakes Science Center. And behind me, you see one of the more popular parts beyond Rubik's Cube. It's the robot arm that can solve the cube. We like to call it Denise, sort of a name playing off the company that made the robot arm. And it takes a mixed up cube and it scans each face, and then the computer inside figures out the moves it needs to make to solve the cube, and then the arm actually does the twisting stuff, and it does it pretty fast. I mean, the last one I think was under a minute, and I think it had 19 moves in under a minute. That's so much better than me. The computer can figure out the algorithms almost instantaneously. Excuse me. But now you have robot technology where you can actually do the twisting parts in less than a minute. So it's phenomenal. People love trying to test the robot, but it can solve every cube I've seen.